This class today, pause this for just a minute and copy down these steps. These are the algorithm steps we're going to use. Okay, the first example we're going to look at is going to be x cubed minus 8. X cubed minus 8 is a difference of cubes because x cubed is obviously a cubed and 8's a cubed. The cube root of 8 is an integer. It is 2. The cube root of 8 is 2. Okay, so step 1 is to write as cubes. So I'm going to write this as x cubed minus 2 cubed. X cubed is obviously x cubed minus 2 cubed, and 2 cubed is 8. Okay, step 2 is to drop the exponents. We have two exponents, they're both 3. So when you drop the exponents, this is going to become x minus 2. Okay, the third step is first times first. So when I refer to first and last, the x is going to be the first, the 2 is going to be the last. So basically I'm talking about what's in the first set of parentheses and what is in the last set of parentheses. Okay, so when we do first times first, that's going to be x times x, or x squared. The next step in the algorithm or process is to change the signs. The only sign I see is minus, so when you change that sign, that minus is going to become plus. And then the fifth step is going to be first times last, so that's going to be x times 2, or 2x. And then finally, we're going to have last times last, and that's going to be 2 times 2 is 4. And if I were to multiply this out, x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 4 would be equal to x cubed minus 8. So that's our answer. Okay, let's look at another one. Let's look at 27x cubed plus 1. Okay, now notice we have a coefficient of our x cubed term. That's fine as long as that coefficient is also a cube. So the cube root of 27 is 3. So step 1, write as cubes. This is going to be 3x cubed plus 1 cubed. 3 cubed is 27, x cubed is x cubed, and then 1 cubed is 1. Step 2, drop the exponents. 3x plus 1. Step 3, first times first. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. Step 4, change the sign. The only sign I see is is plus, so when I change it, it's going to become minus, and I really need to have just changed the sign. Step 5 is going to be first times last. 3x times 1 is 3x. And the final step is going to be last times last. 1 times 1 is 1. And that's our answer. Oh, this soap. Soap your signs at the end. This stands for same, opposite, always positive. So notice that our original sign was plus. Same, opposite, always positive. Okay, let's look at one more example. Let's do 343x cubed minus 216. Okay, write as cubes. 343 is 7 cubed. If you don't know that, do the cube root of 343 on your calculator. And 216, the cube root of 216 is 6. Okay? Drop your exponents. So that's going to be drop the 3's, and we have 7x minus 6. First times first, 7x times 7x is 49x squared. Change the sign. All I see are minus signs, so it becomes plus. First times last, 7x times 6 is 42x, And then last times last, 6 times 6 is 36. And that's our answer. Soap your signs, same as the original problem. Opposites, always positive.